Hello
Hi
guys.
guys.
In this video we're gonna talk about idea how to coordinate between people. This idea is well known in Western countries. I think maybe all Russians know about it. But here in Philippines we have problem that streets and houses, they don't have name of streets
Yeah,
and
neighbor street.
number of
Yeah.
house. Mostly people here orientate using Purok, yeah,
Yeah, Puro
and
or
barangay.
barangay name
Yeah,
like San Miguel, Bacong,
yeah,
like that.
it's kind of small region.
Uh-huh.
And in this small region, there are like 20, 50 houses
Or more.
yeah, or more. So if you will share your location with someone, I mean, by talking, your location will be, oh, I'm somewhere in this Purok, in this barangay, in this city. So it's so really hard, and you can, best way you can do it is to say like name of a restaurant
Yeah.
or
If it's near in the restaurant
yeah.
or near in a
So
famous landmark, so
yeah, you
people
can get,
find you.
you can send approximate, tell approximate location, but not exactly, and you will struggle looking for this place when you will arrive there. So in Western countries we use coordinates. It is so simple. It is longitude and longitude. Yeah, right. Longitude,
Latitude and
latitude
longitude.
and longitude.
Yeah.
In Russia we call it different way, but the same idea. It is imaginable lines around surface of the planet.
Uh-huh.
They calculated very accurate by scientist people. So if you want to know how they were invented, you can just watch in YouTube. There are plenty of videos. But I want to share idea how it can be useful. Because if you're selling some property, you can put these coordinates in your listing, or if you go to some event, you can send to your friends these coordinates, or if you want to purchase some parcel from
From Shopee.
Shopee, Lazada, or
Yeah,
any
you can-
other internet website,
Internet
yeah,
services.
services and stores, you can just put there these numbers. I'm not telling that all delivery guys will understand you. That's why I want to make this video to share this idea with people around.
Yeah, especially the one who deliver parcel or some food panda or whatsoever,
Yeah,
so that they can find the customer immediately. Just use this
yeah,
technique.
yeah, and I hope bit by bit
Yeah.
people will know and use this technique, because it's
Yeah,
so simple. It is absolutely free, nothing needed. You just need your smartphone and that's it.
Yeah.
Because if you want to solve this problem on a government level, you need to name all streets, all houses, and it's a lot of investment, because you need to make this system and order these signs everywhere and put it there and keep eye on them, because they can be destroyed and whatsoever. So it's really big investments, because I know in Russia we have names of all streets, and actually in different cities we have the same street names. So it's not so so
Hard?
comfortable,
comfortable.
because you can say I live on a street named by this guy, and if you will not tell name of the city, it will be hard to find it, because in many cities the same name of the streets. So you can use coordinates, and I will show you how to do it. Very simple.
Yeah, but we're gonna tell you what coordinates is. Coordinates is, you can find it in a Google. It's a 12 numbers.
Maybe 12, I don't know exactly. It is two big numbers.
Yeah.
And you can put these numbers in a Google search or any other search on any map, and you will find location exactly where you are. So, or where you want to share this location. And you can put it in your listings, because on Facebook or many other different sites, you cannot put link. So you can put these numbers, and your potential customers can easily find this place on a map and have idea of where is it, because mostly on a listings it's just photo of grass and road and that's it. So it's totally useless. Yeah, you can see like some trees, yeah, okay, and trees everywhere. So I hope this technique will be useful to you. So I'm gonna show you an example of Google Earth. Here is our planet
Okay.
and stars around. And you need to change map style on everything and turn on grid lines. And now here you can see longitude and longitude, right?
No, it's latitude
Latitude
and longitude.
longitude. Okay.
Okay.
It's not so simple for me. But the whole idea, it's horizontal and vertical lines around whole surface of the planet.
Yeah.
Equator and many more. So let's zoom in where we are.
Philippines.
Yeah, Philippines. And you can see as much we zoom in,
Oh,
more detailed these grid lines we see. And here is some mountain. And as you can see, we have some barangays, some famous spots,
yeah.
but not all roads has names.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Yeah. But what if you want to find like yeah, something in the jungle? I don't know. Let's yeah, this red roof.
Yeah.
So for example, you need to go here. And now you can see these numbers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's the coordinate.
Yeah, it's a coordinate. You just need to copy them.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can open Google Maps, and you can also do it in a Google Maps as well.
Yeah.
Then paste it here. We don't need last numbers, only these two numbers.
Oh, you don't need last number?
Yeah, you don't need.
Oh.
So, and here we are. This exactly spot, red roof on Negros Island, somewhere
Yeah.
near Dauin, I don't know.
It's so nice.
Yeah, and now you can send these numbers to your friends or put it somewhere on a ads, on a listings where links are not allowed.
Yeah.
But you can put there these numbers and your potential clients can easily understand you. Or you can send it yeah, to your friends where you're going to meet with them, or I don't know why you want to go there. But you can use these numbers, and you can also put them into Google.
Google.
Yeah, just Google search.
Oh.
Or any other search like Yandex or I don't know.
Browser. Other people use browser.
Yeah, search engine. I'm not a robot. Google kinda annoying.
Yeah, it should be like that all the time.
Okay, here we are. These numbers.
Mm-hmm.
You can open map if you want.
And
it's basically the same like on a app, but it's on a web.
It's kinda hassle, a lot of hassle.
Well, not so much. You can find location. Here's this
still you can't see
house. Because it's different style of the map.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why you cannot understand it, because it's like in the middle of gray area.
Yeah.
But you can drive there easily.
Of course, you can drive there.
And you can go to just Google Maps, put there these numbers without last one. And now here you can change from like default place with gray area.
Yeah.
Or green, it depends.
Green, yeah.
Yeah, on a satellite.
Yeah, satellite's more better.
And you can easily see photo from satellites.
Yeah, what the color of the roof.
Yeah, color of the roof, roads there.
Yeah.
As you can see, there is no names of these roads.
Exactly.
So you're just in the middle of jungles, but you need to go there. And you can, if you go in to sell this house, you can put there these names in your listing, and everyone can easily find it on any map. And if you want to use Google Maps, like if you use default mode, you can also go somewhere, zoom in. Better, of course, to change to satellite.
Yeah, so that it's more better.
Yeah, and find another place. Just tap and hold.
Yeah.
And then you will see this menu and these numbers, like 9.2264 and so on. So these two numbers, it is your location. Then you can put it in any search and find them again on any map, any device. So if you have smartphone, you can use any map.
Of course, as long as you have internet.
Yeah, or you downloaded it before advanced, like
oh, you can
offline.
download
Yeah, you can download maps.
You need to teach me how.
Oh, easily we can just do it here. Offline maps here.
Oh.
You just 3 lines here, offline maps, and then you can download like local map, like this area.
Oh.
Download, or you can download any other city or more. That's it. Easy peasy. So guys, thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank
We
you
hope
guys.
that this video is helpful and useful to you.
Yeah.
So especially for Filipinos, and they can share their locations and their properties, and I don't know, to meet with their friends easily, much easier than they do it now. I
Yeah.
hope this idea will spread, so just share this idea with your friends. You can share a video, but you can just tell them how to use it, and that's it. It will be already helpful for our society.
Yeah, and I want to share, like, for me, I didn't know this coordination since the last time I met him. So when I met him, he teach me how to use it, and I was like, what? This exists, because I didn't know that it exists
Yeah,
before.
people use it for many years, and
Yeah,
it's so
maybe some
simple.
other Filipino know it, but
Yeah, of course some people
most
know
of
it,
them
but
no.
I just want to share with people who don't know
Yeah,
it, and to
yeah.
spread this idea, because it's so simple, free, useful. Yeah, I hope this video is useful to you.
Yeah,
So
it's so
thank you for watching, and
Thank
share
you
with
for
your
watching.
friends.
Yeah.
Bye bye.